Hey baking babes, welcome back to my channel. Here I provide you with delicious, all-natural and organic sweet dessert recipes for you to try at home. This week's sweet treat is one of my favorite treats. It's a mix of 3 of my favorites, all into one. This mix of crunch cake, coffee cake, and a cinnamon roll is what I like to call my organic morning cinnamon roll cake. Let's go ahead and get into the recipe. Now, firstly, you want to preheat the oven to 325 degrees and get the cake pan prepped for the cake. Next, you are going to take your dry ingredients and mix them together. Now you're going to take your wet ingredients in a separate bowl and mix those together as well. The next step is to combine both the wet and dry ingredients. This is something that can easily be done by hand, and if it becomes too difficult to mix, just add more melted butter until smooth. And now it's time to add the batter into the pan and to smooth it all out. Now it's time to add your sugar topping on top of the cake with a fork and then smooth that over the entire cake. After you've done that, you can swirl the topping into the cake however you'd like. After that, you can put the cake in the oven and let it bake for 30 minutes. While the cake is in the oven, you're going to want to make sure that your icing is made to your desired consistency. When the cake is fresh out of the oven, you'll drizzle the icing on top of the cake and let it set, and then you're done. This is the perfect organic morning treat. I like to have it with a cup of coffee in the morning, but you could have it any time of the day if you want to. I won't judge. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. For the full recipe, of course, click the link in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe for more sweet treats, like and comment on the video as well, and let me know if you like the recipe. And please share this video to share the recipe. I can't wait to bake with you all again in my next video. Bye!